Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use coupon on Bybit. So let's get into the video. Go to bybit.com. So once you're on your website, now log into your Bybit account. So once you've logged into your account here, go to your profile. So on your top here, click on your profile. Underneath you will see my rewards. So simply open up, click on my rewards, open it up. So here under all rewards and under available, you'll see all your available coupons. Okay, so you'll see all your available coupons, and since I don't have any coupons, there's nothing to show here, but you will see all your available coupons. And if you want to if you don't have any coupons, then you can claim. So if you go to my task here, then here if you complete any task here, depending on the task, once you have completed it, then you will be able to collect these rewards here. So in that way you can collect your rewards. But then if you have rewards or coupons, then what you can do, it will show up here. So the coupon will be displayed here, and then next to the coupon you will see a use button. So all you have to do to use the coupon is simply click on that use button, and that once you click on the use button, then your coupon will be applied to your Bybit account, and that's pretty much it is. So that's how you can use this coupon. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.